everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Ashley Ng, aka The Designer. We're here today at the AZ building, Digital Lock. At Digital Lock, they will provide the best services and quality products that will add style, convenience, and security for your perfect home. Digital Lock is a leading supplier and installer of digital locks in Singapore. They carry many major brands: Samsung, Kadas, Heffler, Philips, Lock Home, Solity, Schlage, Igloo Home Digital Locks. Heffler is a German brand and is considered one of the top brands in Germany. This is a digital lock model from Heffler. Heffler PP8100 Smart Digital Lock is the ideal way to secure your home. You can seamlessly operate the lock on an app. You can set multiple entry modes with a Bluetooth key on your smartphone or even your fingertips. Kadas was born in the capital of lock in Germany, Verbund. Having served over 6 million homeowners worldwide, Kadas has expanded its footprint to more than 67 countries globally. Noble and luxurious, the Legend is the first in the world to incorporate the design of Lamborghini onto a digital lock. The facial recognition technology uses a three-dimensional structured light that covers the entire face through tens of thousands of recognition points with millimeter-level accuracy. It captures 3D dynamic information of the face by extracting facial features and bone structure to build a 3D face model. Enjoy the luxury of a contactless lock. The Legend is the perfect fusion of technology and design. The only thing better than taking it in this beauty from a distance is actually touching it. Now, with face recognition, you won't even need to touch the lock itself to unlock it. Solity has experience in digital door lock manufacturing since 1980. Until date, Solity is the largest and most recognized digital door lock brand and is 100% made in Korea. All of their locks are capable of unlocking via your mobile phone from anywhere in the world as long as both you and your Solity digital door lock or gate lock has Wi-Fi or internet connection. The next notable feature is its powerful locking mechanism. Its mechanism speed to lock and unlock the boat is one of the fastest of its kind in the world. With the price to value comparison against its competitors, Solity is definitely the way to go, beating its competitors' price by almost 20% based on similar product features. With 24 hours real-time monitoring, you are able to know who is sneaking outside of your front door, and that's based on 3 meters. You'll be able to get instant notifications on your mobile phone. You can also share one-time PIN code to either your delivery person or in-laws or anyone coming up for a last-minute visit. Philips EasyKey 702F is a smart facial recognition digital door lock that comes with an indoor infrared sensor. It unlocks once the hand is detected. You can now enjoy touchless and zero operation unlocking experience. The facial recognition will start to work when an ultrasonic sensor detects human movement within 80 cm. It also ensures fast locking in the night. Full automatic Mortise ensures one touch to unlock, eliminating the trouble of manual locking. So come on down to Digital Lock to get your key for your perfect home.
Digital Lock, your key to a perfect home.